Alright, hello guys, subscribe to this channel and like and subscribe. Make sure you get this video to 200 likes. Thank you. And let's head to the video. Some sweet dreams. Oh, this is so good, sweet dreams. Gotta go fast. Gonna go faster, faster. Gonna go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. Such a sweet dream. Meow. What the? Meow. Sonic, shut up. What the? It's not me. Now who is it then? We need to go search. Meow. Meow. What kind of cat is that? I don't know what kind of cat would be in our house. You know what? This is an apartment, so it must be our other neighbors. I hate them. Let's just go and ask them what is that noise. Let's just go in their room and ask them. Oh, I hate doing that. Well, Sonny, you can go do that. Alright. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster. Ugh. Man, I'm so tired. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I know. I really know. Alright. Hey, guys. Sonic, what are you doing here? Just open up the room. Has anybody heard that cat noise? Meow. Who's making that cat noise? Meow. Yeah, and it's very annoying, and we're telling you guys to shut up. We actually are sleeping. Dude, we're not making no noise. You know what? Just let him deal with him. Ooh. Oh, our new roommate. His name is Jeff. Jeff, say hi. Jeff. I hate hedgehogs. Is that a demon or what? Yeah, I think Jeff is a demon too. But you gotta run. I hate hedgehogs. Meow, meow, meow. Cat. Well, good thing you are safe. Jeff doesn't like hedgehogs, so you better get out of here. Meow. Can you go find that cat? Meow, meow. That cat's really annoying. Well, gotta go fast. Alright, bye guys. Bye. Can't believe it's not them. Who could it actually be? Ugh. Alright. Guys, what, Sonic? I couldn't find a cat. Meow! And it's not in the other room. Meow! Are you serious right now? Go check, Knuckles. Yeah, really, Knucks. You should go check. Ah! I hate you, Sonic. What? I'm your best friend. Alright, sorry. Ugh. I have to be doing this. Sweet dreams for me. Alright, time for me to go. Meow! Alright, time for me to go. Huh? Don't see nothing out here. Where could that noise be? Meow! Okay, this is just getting out of hand. I got to sleep. Man, me and my friends really got to sleep. And I can't find where this cat is. Meow! Are you kidding me? You know what? I'm going in my neighbor's room. I mean, like, they must have a cat. And no pets are allowed in this apartment. So of course they must have a pet. Probably they just don't wanna pay $100. Ugh. Alright guys, you better open up. You know, I don't hear now, I'm just going in. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on? This is not the right time for you to come. They're literally kissing. Wait, what? What are you doing here, Knuckles? Give us some privacy. I'm very sorry, but me and my friends gotta sleep and meow. And you guys making noise. We're not making the noise. Get out of here. You know what? You guys are weird. I wonder what's that cat noise. Meow. Jeff, get them out of here. Who's Jeff? Who's Jeff? Who's that weirdo Jeff that you're talking about? You want to know who Jeff is? Jeff, come. What a monster you are. Hey. He got diabetes. I am leaving. All right, locking the door. I'm not going in there. It's Tails time. All right, leaving. Tails. Sonic. Bro, what's your problem? I'm so tired. You know, I couldn't find the cat. Really? So it's all on me now? Yep. Well, fine. They haven't even looked in the bathroom yet, so obviously the cat must be in the bathroom. Taking a poop in our bathroom. Oh. Alright, let me look in the bathroom. Oh, it stinks! Knuckles! Yeah, I use the bathroom. No, it's the neighbors. You know, I don't care at this point. Going in the kitchen. You know what? I don't see nothing. I don't know why I have to be doing this. Guys, I can't find the cat. Well, let's just go to the neighbors. Yeah, and destroy their privacy. How you just saw them kissing? Yes. No, Knuckles! You guys are not putting me in this plan. Of course we are. Oh boy, I can't believe I'm going. Alright, time for me to open the door. You know what? Why you guys never lock your door? You know something? I hate you guys. Meow! But who on earth is making that cat noise? We're tired and we're trying to sleep. Yeah, you guys need to chill. We need to sleep. Meow! And we're hearing it so loud here. What's the point of saying that's not you? Meow! Hold up a second. Hey, Jimmy! Ow, my name's not Jimmy. Meow! So you're making the cat noise? Yeah. Get him! Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Goodbye.